Hey guys, what's up? My name is Mohammed Sadafashmi. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to install torrent downloader on your Linux or Ubuntu or not. I have another alternative for that. Downloading torrent could be, a pain in the ass, when you are using this terminal to download that. So, bruh, I have a better option. Have you heard of Brave? No, they have not sponsored me or anything. Look, I searched on Google a browser which lets you download torrent files, just directly on the browser itself. You do not need to download an external software to get that torrent file start to get downloaded, right? So, bruh, I'll tell you something. So, I have my Brave browser already installed on my computer. This is my, what the fuck it is? Look, Brave web browser. Now, what are the, bro, you already know, right? Like, on Brave, you don't get ads and shit and those things. It's like a dope competition for Chrome, right? Whatever. I think it's the right competition, right? So, in order to download that, just go and Google, because, I don't know, just Google install. Wait, bro. Remove this frame for a sec, bro. For just 1 sec, bro. Okay, thank you. Install Brave on Lubuntu Linux, and all the shit. You like my, chicken hairs. Okay, here is the website, brave.com, greater than equal to sign Linux. Just don't think about that. Just click on it, okay? Wait for it to get loaded. Look, install Brave on Linux and things, right? So go down. So here, I think most of us would be done here, right? It gives you the downloading steps for Mint, Ubuntu, Debian. So how to do that? I'll teach you in a second. Give me a sec. Look, bros, I'm just doing a great sacrifice on my on my system, right? Before I could install that again on my system, I need to uninstall it, right? So, this is the uninstalling page. Just copy this code and we're gonna paste it here. Okay, asking the password. We're gonna put in the password. Yep. It's getting what? Yes, I wanna get it and install. Right fucking now. Just fucking now. It's kind of slow process, right? So we need to type in the next code. We need to write in the text code. Control Shift V, get it pasted on the terminal after copying. Control Shift V. I think my Brave browser has been removed. Oh my god, I don't find my Brave browser here. It is uninstalled now. So I would say Control Shift New. Get a new terminal ready. You can search the terminal here too. Here you can type it terminal, or you can get it here, I guess, to write terminal. Where's terminal, bro? Terminal. Yeah, you can find the terminal here. Q terminal, click on this. So a new terminal opens. Whatever. Do we care about that? No, we care about this page, installing Brave. Alright, come, relax. This is from where you need to copy, or this is the place where the video starts. Go and pin it down in the comments. Okay, just copy this. See for copy. Copied. Come to the terminal. Okay, Control Shift B, or you can do it this way also. Paste. Right click. This is the right click. Here is the right click. This place. Okay, right click and left click and paste, and then we press enter. It needs the password. You need to type your password there. So it's getting installed. Chill with me, bruh. Okay. Looks like everything is okay till now. Alright, we'll go forward. We'll copy the second code. Alright, just do copy for Allah. We do, and we then press enter. Same way, copy paste done. We're gonna do the copy of last code. We need to do the copy. Then come to the terminal. terminal we are doing this shit. Okay, press it, enter. Oh my god, amazing. We come here, sudo update. This fails. I don't know, I need to fix this, but okay, let's try this. This fails sometimes on my computer, but it doesn't matter. It's gonna fail in your computer too, but this is not the important stuff. The important step is the last step which we'll do. These are important. You need to type this. Now the last thing that will install our browser, that is sudo apt install brave, this dash sign and browser. Just copy it. Just you can copy it like this or anyway, or control C to copy that, and control shift and V, or it's complete right click and paste that. Anyway, you know, you can do anyway. Paste it. Now we are about to say it, enter. 3, 2, 1. Oh my damn fucking god, is getting installed. Oh, we need to type Y too. Y for install. Yes, we did Y. You're gonna type Y and it gets installed. 16%, bruh. 95% it is MB. Oh my hairs. Just wait and chill and wait and chill and chill and wait and chill. Okay, till then let me dance a bit. Oh god, the net is too fast. It got downloaded. Okay, it's still got time, right? We'll do this. What the fuck is that? Alert. This is not working. Oh, well, I'm not sorry. So looks like our system has installed. Browser. Now you can download any torrent. You don't believe me? Type here. I don't know what to type. Go to this Windows sign. You type it and you go to there. And we go to where? We go to Brave browser. Ta-ta-ra-ra. So looks like Brave browser installed. Now you can go to torrent sites, like you can just go and download the shit. And I will not show that because it's kind of illegal. I don't want to show you how to download torrent, but you can use this to download torrent, and it works as same or maybe say better than the torrents application, that uTorrent application or BitTorrent application. Okay, if you like this video, go and fucking subscribe my channel, bro, because I do this. I'm on my way to become a developer and shit, right? You can look into my journey. I have a playlist on JavaScript basics and all. Just check it out, bro. This is the end of the video. I'll catch you up later. Like the video, press subscribe. Like the video, press subscribe. Like the video, press subscribe. Bye.